Just a very short overview of these two works. The most recent work from the Under the Wing mosaic drawing combo, I should say, from the Under the Wing series, 66. On the left, done in 2018, titled The Sea Monsters and the Child with the Bird's Nest Scarf in the Kielce Ghetto, Nazi-occupied Poland, 1942. And on the right, Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Art Series, artwork 39, just completed. It is March 31st, 2020. The Sea Monsters and the Martyrdom of Stephen Tyrone Johns, June 10th, 2009. Johns was a U.S. federal police officer at work at the entryway of the United States Holocaust Memorial Museum in Washington, D.C. when he was shot to death by a terrorist on the entryway back in, again, June 2009. Drawings on the left here of from photographs of children in the Warsaw Ghetto, concentration death camp, and a drawing of a Romani child I saw on the photo archives of the Holocaust Museum's website online recently. All right, there you have it.